Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you the comparison between the 12-inch and the 16-inch PIZZELLO FORTE pizza oven. Now both of these pizza ovens are fantastic, and which one you choose is really a personal preference. If you want to save on cost a little bit, you'll go for the 12-inch. And if you're not doing a lot of pizza all the time or doing multiple pizzas for multiple people during your parties, then the 12-inch will be perfect. If you're going to do larger pizzas, you're going to have bigger parties, I'd go for the 16-inch. Now both of these ovens have a very accurate temperature gauge right on the top. This one I'm burning off because I got some cheese on here, did some pizzas tonight, which I'll show you at the end of the video. And we're cooking at about 725 degrees right now. I usually cook around 650 to 675 for my normal pizzas, and I go up to around 850 for my 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗟𝗢𝗪 pizza. Now, both of these ovens will achieve 900 degrees. So you have to be really careful and make sure you've got your proper temperature setting. The thing I love about the 12-inch is it's really small and it's portable. It has folding legs, as does the 16-inch. But you can see the 16-inch is going to be a little harder to carry around than the 12-inch, which really is nice. I take it in the back of the car, go up to the park, cook your pizza. I have both the Forte gas and pellet combo units, which lets you cook with pellets, wood pellets in the back of the pizza oven. It's convenient, it's fun. You really don't get much noticeable flavor difference because the pizzas are done in about 60 seconds. So whether it's wood fire or gas, you're really concerned about getting that stone up to the temperature. So you want your pizza stone to be at 650 or higher for your pizzas. And the PIZZELLO ovens have incredible pizza stones inside of these. We'll show you the smaller stone. And these are really nice stones. They're thick, they're really nice. They heat up super even, and as you can see, they give you a really nice cook on here. And this discoloration is normal on all of these stones. So basically when I'm done with one cook, I turn it over and then I'll cook another pizza on my next session. Then when I'm done with that, I'll brush it off, turn it over. I really don't wash these often unless something really gets on there that's hard to get off. But in this case, I just do a burn off at the 750 to 800. And usually after it cools down, I dust it off and I'm ready to go for the next pizza. Now both of the PIZZELLO pizza ovens have a really nice door. It's all stainless steel. It's got a really nice handle, fits in there perfectly, and it has a nice little opener. So if you want to look at your pizza and take a peek, you can see what's going on. I usually just take the door off. It really doesn't impact the heat. People, are concerned like take it off, is all the heat getting it out of the oven? You got to remember it's a stone that's cooking the pizza. That fire's coming over the top, which is still cooking your pizza. You've got a lot of heat on the stone below. So taking that door off with the cook isn't going to really hurt it. Matter of fact, I've cooked pizza with the door completely off because I'm having people over, I'm distracted, I'm talking. I stick it in, I just watch it, turn it. It cooks almost as fast, maybe a minute and 15 to 20, 30 seconds versus a minute, but the pizzas cook super, super fast. So you want to make sure you're turning them so they don't burn. Now, as you're going through watching this comparison, make sure to check out my other videos right up here about the PIZZELLO pizza oven and some of the cooks that I've done. I've done everything you can think of on this thing. Probably about 75 pizzas in now on these pizza ovens, and they are still going strong. Perfect pizza every single time. Now looking here at the back of the units, both have the gas inserts in here with the controllers. I have not confirmed this, but I do believe the gas comes out a little bit more on the 16, which would make sense versus the 12-inch. But I can tell you, I only turn this up about 20 to 25% max. If I go over 25% in the 30% range with that dial, I'm gonna be hitting around 800 degrees, which is usually hotter than I use. So I'll show you the indicator of what I usually set for about the 650 range, and I'll show you the thermometer gauge as well so you can see that correlation. The thing that's nice about this is it has a standard gas connector on the back here on both of them. They're both the same, so you can move your hoses from the 16 to the 12, no problem. All the controls are identical, and it has a battery starter. One battery goes back here, and you basically just push it in. You'll hear the clicking going off the ignition, turn the gas on, it'll light, and it's identical on both the 12-inch and the 16-inch. The thing that I like about the 16-inch is that you have more room to move around, you have more room to turn your pizzas, but when it comes to going out to the beach, here on the coast, here in Northern California, in the Bay Area, going up to the parks, the 12-inch is really, I think, ideal. It's much more portable. It's easier to get out of the car. The stack is not as high, so you don't have to take it off. But both of the stacks on these do come off, so you can take them in your car if it's a problem. They also come with a really nice carrying case, so when it comes to both of these, you can't go wrong with either one. The other benefit about PIZZELLO, whether it's the 16 or the 12, is the cost. Compared to other pizza ovens, One, this thing's sexy. I think it looks much better than a lot of the pizza ovens out there, especially the portable pizza ovens. And the cost, at least several $100s less. It's a fantastic oven, and for the price, you can't go wrong. Check it out. I got other videos for Pizzello right up here, and I'll see you on the next one. Smoke on, baby.